I received a phone call last week. I saw a missed call from Councilwoman Pam Foley. And just simply put, she said, I am heartbroken. I am heartbroken. What can I possibly do? As an ally, we cannot stand by this. Let me know what you need. I am here for you. I am here for your community. Let me know. I thought there was going to be a gathering like this before. Someone was going to organize it, and I would just show up. And I would show up enthusiastically. It's unfortunate that we are here. But let me tell you, it's a familiar place to be here at the People's City Hall. Whether or not it's during Black Lives Matter, or the Women's March, or March for Our Lives for firearm safety, or Pride March, I always thought to myself, a significant fear, that one day we too would be marching for Asian Pacific Islander lives.
Yeah.
And that fear, unfortunately, has been realized. That's why we are here. And we can't talk about the Asian American experience without recognizing Black History Month that just passed. We cannot talk about the Asian American experience without recognizing Women's History Month. So to all of our AAPI women, we see you, we hear you, and we value you.
Yeah, thank you.
I am a proud fourth-generation Californian speaking more Spanish than I do Chinese. I went to Los Alamitos, Bret Harte, Leland, De Anza Community College, and San Jose State. Proud Spartan. And yet, I'm still called a perpetual foreigner. We've all dealt with those type of experiences, haven't we? Where are you from? I've been asked. And I said, I'm from San Jose. Do you know the way? They said, no, where are you really from? I said, what are you talking about? Where are your parents from? I'm like, well, my dad was born in Sacramento, my mom Oakland. How about your grandfather? Sacramento. Well, what's your nationality? I'm American. We share these experiences, and you think that this is sort of back in the day. Back in the Chinese Exclusion Act of 1882, which forbid Chinese coming to this country. Or the Alien Land Law in California in 1912, which forbid Asian Pacific Islanders from owning property. Or that of a living civil rights icon and Mike Honda, who survived and lived during the internment camps. In fact, here even at home, San Jose has its own dark history towards the Asian Pacific Islander community. Did you know we had 5 Chinatowns, many of them burnt down, sanctioned to be burnt down, which is why it is so meaningful to see our county and our city officials here in solidarity with our community. We have been victimized just last week in Mountain View, just this week in San Jose. Enough is enough. How much more will we tolerate? None. That's why we are here. There are those that wish us to be the model minority, to be silent, to stay in our own little box, not cause trouble. And our message collectively here today, with respect to being a model minority, is fuck no.
Yeah.
So to all of you who are here, post about this experience. Talk about your actions in being with us here today and what you are doing. Ask others what they can do too to stand in solidarity with our Asian Pacific Islander community. Thank our public officials. Ask what else you can do and what else can be done. And as we hear from our elected officials, let us hear from all of you. Will you stand with us?
Yes.
Will you fight with us?
Yes.
Will you protect us?
Yes.
Will you march with us? Yes. And most importantly, will you love us?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. You're about to hear some amazing public representatives who work and represent all of us. Thank you for being here.